Show me 1024. Dollarway. South Tour. It's North Metro. Okay, he's not stopping. I'm taking it. Direction. We're going off Vaughn Avenue, headed towards Oakland Street. Gonna be making a right on Juniper. Right on Juniper. Okay, we're still on Juniper, crossing the railroad. We're going to pull and headed towards University. On Beach Street. He's going down West 2nd towards University. Speed's 86. Can't forward. Still going east on 2nd. Coming from Cherry Street. Seconds. Coming up Walnut off 2nd Street. Speed's going on up. Bad wreck. Gonna be Walnut. Turn over, fire. Stay in 15. Hands, let me see your hands. Hey, somebody got a fire extinguisher. Somebody got a fire extinguisher. It's on fire. It's on fire. You ain't got one. You got one? Hey, somebody check on them. Do y'all see anybody? Yeah, he's right here. Hey, hold cover. I got it. My man, if you move any way, you're going to get blasted. You hear me? Let's try to go on the other side. No, they can't. Hey, go look at my trunk. I got a fire extinguisher. It's in that black bag. Hey, hold cover. I'm trying to put this fire out. Keep your hands where we can see them. We'll be right in front of Donna Rivers building. Donna Rivers is coming here. Checking the chestnut. Nah, fire, but I'll be using my fire extinguisher trying to pass the fire. Also, seeing next is 1016. We need fire. We need to extract. Hey, we got an ETA fire. get to him? Stop moving your head. Get mine out. Hey, wait a minute, go get the I don't want it to catch fire while it's on. I got to get his foot. Not that one, the other. Hey, give me your foot. This one can open it. Hey, get the fuck back, goddamn, Goldie. Hey, shit, get back. Hey, watch it. Let us see hands. Hands. Break that something back out. Shut up. What's the phone? On your back. I can't. Oh, God, I didn't even do anything. Oh, who else gonna truck with you? Hey, Rollover. Hey, hold on. Is there anybody else in there? Give him back. All right, get him on. Somebody else is in there. Step back. Hey, come on. Hands behind your back. Anybody else in there? No. I have to get him that. You want to do it for him? Yeah, I got it. What about energy? He's ready.